Need to rename a channel on Slack to better reflect its purpose? Here's how to do it step by step. First, open Slack on your desktop or browser. On the left sidebar, hover over the channel you want to rename. Now right-click on the channel name and select View Channel Details. A panel will open on the right side. At the top, you'll see the current channel name. Next to it, click the small pencil icon. Now you can edit the name directly. Type your new name, for example, change Business Plans to Updates, and click Save Changes. The channel name will update instantly for everyone in the workspace. Just a heads up, you'll need to be a workspace owner, admin, or channel creator to rename public channels. For private channels, only members with the right permissions can make changes. And that's how to rename a Slack channel quickly and easily. Follow for more Slack productivity tips, and let me know if you'd like a walkthrough on customizing channel descriptions or setting up naming convention.